Hey guys, it's EJ with Blockpad. Today we're looking at hyperlinks. So once you've got hyperlinks in a file, to use them, you're just going to control click. So here I'll press control click and you'll see that takes me to another place in a file. And I've got another hyperlink here that I'll press control click. And that internal hyperlink is just taking me to this heading, which I've already specified. You can also use hyperlinks to take you to web pages. So I can press control click here, and that's going to take me to the Blockpad support page. Now I'm going to go back to Blockpad. And to show you guys how to insert a hyperlink, I'm going to go over here to this example and just recreate what I've already shown you. So the first thing to do for an internal hyperlink is to navigate to the place you want to go to. So here I'm going to go to this results summary heading and click inside of it. And then I'm going to go to the toolbar to write and copy reference to paragraph. Now I'll click that, and that reference is in my clipboard now. I'm going to go back to the top and click here and just click this hyperlink button, and I'm going to be prompted for an address. I'm going to press Control V to paste that reference in and click OK. And now I've got my hyperlink. So I can press Control click, and that's going to take me to the spot in the file that I asked it to take me to. I'm going to scroll back up. To change the text for this, I'm going to just regular click it and go to the properties window and change text here to what I want it to be. So skip to results and press enter, and you can see that's now the text. Also note the address property is right here, and that's where you're going to change the address if you ever need to. So to insert another hyperlink, I'm going to tab over. You see I've got my tab stop there. And for this one, we want to go to a web page. So I'm going to go to my browser and select this link, press Control C to copy, go back to Blockpad, and I could press the hyperlink button again, but this time I'm going to press Control K on my keyboard to open up the insert tool. And then I'm going to start typing in hyperlink and then press the enter key. And then now I'm prompted again for an address. I'll press Control V to paste that in and then press the enter key. And now I've got that hyperlink. And again, I can click it and change the address or the text as I want to. Now that's really all there is to it for inserting hyperlinks. For formatting, you can click them and then format them like anything else in Blockpad. So I can change this underline, or I can add a text highlight and click OK. And that's really all there is to it. I'll press Control Z to undo those. You can also use style rules to format all of the hyperlinks in a file. So I can go to Style, Manage Styles, create a new rule, change objects of type to hyperlink, and once there, I can change any of these properties. So text decoration can change to none to get rid of the underline. I can change text color to this lighter blue and click OK. I can change font weight to bold so that now my hyperlinks are bold. And I can close out of that. You can see my two hyperlinks are now formatted. One final note is that table of contents in Blockpad are just an automatically generated list of these hyperlinks. So as you can see, when I use style rules for hyperlinks, that's going to affect these headings inside of the table of contents in the same way as my regular hyperlinks. Now to overwrite that, I can click on this block and go to Style, Manage Styles, create a new rule, and make sure my container is just for the block content. And then again, change objects of type to hyperlink, and then overwrite any formatting that I don't want. So I'll change text color to black and click OK, and change font weight to regular, and then close out of my style manager, and you'll see that those styles are now applied to just the hyperlinks inside of the table of contents. Now I'm going to delete that, and that's all I've got for you guys on hyperlinks. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.